Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Wrangler rear wiper. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a new wiper blade, specifically designed for your Wrangler, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. This simple task can be done in under 10 minutes, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover each step clearly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook on the arm. It should detach with minimal effort, revealing the bare arm. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. To complete the process, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the rear wiper function. Observe the new blade as it moves across the window. It should make full, even contact with the glass and clear away any moisture effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, remember to inspect your wiper blades every 6 months and replace them annually or sooner if you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.